You don't have to control your thoughts, you just have to stop letting them control you. You are enough just as you are, each emotion you feel. Everything in your life, everything you do or do not do, where you are and who you are, right now is enough. It is perfect. Mental health needs a great deal of attention. It's the final taboo, and it needs to be faced and dealt with. You are not your illness. You have an individual story to tell. You have a name, a history, a personality. Staying yourself is part of the battle. You don't have to be positive all the time. It's perfectly okay to feel sad, angry, annoyed, frustrated, scared, or anxious. Having feelings doesn't make you a negative person. It makes you human. What mental health needs is more sunlight, more candor, and more unashamed conversation. Sometimes self-care is exercise and eating right. Sometimes it's spending time with loved ones or taking a nap. And sometimes it's watching an entire season of TV in one weekend while you lounge around in your pajamas, whatever soothes your soul. One small crack does not mean that you are broken. It means that you were put to the test and you didn't fall apart. You, yourself, as much as anybody in the entire universe, deserve your love and affection. The soul and the body are intimately connected. If the soul is sick, the body will follow suit, and if the body is sick, the soul will suffer as well. The best way to improve your mental health is to take care of your physical health. This means eating a healthy diet, getting regular exercise, and getting enough sleep. It is also important to surround yourself with positive people and activities. Avoid spending time with people who are negative or who make you feel bad about yourself. Finally, it is important to have a purpose in life. When you have something to strive for, it gives your life meaning and makes it easier to cope with difficult times. And when you feel despair, remember that I am with you always. I hear and I see everything. And we will surely test you with something of fear and hunger and loss of wealth and lives and fruits. But give good tidings to those who are patient. You are not alone. Millions of people around the world struggle with mental illness. There is help available, and you can get better. Mental health is just as important as physical health. You wouldn't hesitate to seek help for a physical illness, so don't hesitate to seek help for a mental illness. Your mental health is not your fault. It is caused by a complex mix of factors, including your genetics, your environment, and your life experiences. You are not broken. You are simply trying to cope with a difficult situation. There is nothing wrong with you. There is no one-size-fits-all approach to mental health. Improvement. What works for one person may not work for another. It is important to find what works best for you. It is okay to take breaks. It is okay to say no. It is okay to put yourself first. Be kind to yourself. You are doing the best you can. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small they may seem. Surround yourself with positive people who support you and your mental health goals. Find something that gives you purpose and meaning in life. Take care of your physical health. Eating healthy, exercising, and getting enough sleep can all improve your mental health. Practice mindfulness and relaxation techniques. These techniques can help you to manage stress and anxiety. Seek professional help if you need it. There is no shame in seeing a therapist or counselor. Mental health is a state of well-being in which an individual realizes his or her own abilities, can cope with the normal stresses of life, can work productively and fruitfully, and is able to make a contribution to his or her community. Mental health is more important than physical health. If you don't have mental health, you can't enjoy your physical health. You can't pour from an empty cup. Take care of yourself so you can take care of others. It's okay to not be okay. Your mental health is like a muscle. It needs exercise and care to grow stronger. The heart is like a vessel, and its contents are your thoughts. If your thoughts are pure, your heart will be pure. If your thoughts are impure, your heart will be impure. The mind is a mirror. If you polish it with good thoughts, it will reflect good things. But if you tarnish it with bad thoughts, it will reflect bad things. The heart is like a garden. If you plant good seeds, it will grow good flowers. But if you plant bad seeds, it will grow bad weeds. The mind is like a bird. If you cage it, it will die. But if you let it fly free, it will soar. Life is too short to be stressed all the time. Find something to be grateful for and enjoy the ride. If you want to be happy, do not dwell in the past. Do not worry about the future. Concentrate on the present. Worrying is like a rocking chair. It gives you something to do, but it gets you nowhere. Meditation is not about controlling your thoughts. It's about watching them without judgment. Find a quiet place where you can be alone and simply sit and breathe. Focus on the breath coming in and out of your body. When your mind wanders, gently bring it back to your breath.